Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to do a walk around of this 2014 Dodge Ram, or I should say Dodge ProMaster 3500. Oh, it is a Ram, I guess. Ram ProMaster 3500. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first, we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features this may have. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you're going to see, I'm going to get both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Huge reason why we do these video walkarounds. Saves a bunch of time on both sides, and it gives you a great idea of what you're coming in to see. Or if you're an out-of-town, out-of-stater, give you a lot more confidence to buy. We do offer transport and delivery options. Just give us a call or a text for further details. But no major dents, no huge dings. I mean, frankly, I think whoever's going to buy this might convert it into a mini home. It seems to be the new trend nowadays. The big tow mirrors on there. Has a backup camera. Get a little closer up here. Doesn't look like it has a tow pack. There's a spare down there. I'm sure a tow pack would be easy to put on here if you needed to put one on. Again, just get these angles in here for you. We'll get down on tires here in a moment. Tires look dang near new, if not new. Get the inside too. Just give me a moment here. But yeah, tires still really good condition. Let's see here, LT 225/75 R16. And just get these angles in here. Let's get the inside condition and features. Key here. Get the condition on the inside here. These power windows, looks like power fold-in mirrors there. It's actually a nice feature for these big rigs here. I mean, the interior, I mean, frankly, it's like nobody really sat in these. There is I guess a media center there. It has backup. Looks like navigation. AC blows cold, automatic. Bluetooth capable, steering wheel controls there. That's for the hood. I guess we'll pop that, but let's go ahead and grab the back here. Open this guy up. The barrier there up front, the door. And you got the slider over there, the side slider. Alright, let's go ahead and close this up. We'll go back to the engine. We'll turn it over here in just a second. Look at that oil spot. It's customer parking, somebody's trade-in. Oh, there's nothing wrong with my trade, I promise. I want all the money for it. Come to find out, it's leaking oil everywhere. All right, now I do say this in my videos all the time, guys. Not a mechanic, not gonna pretend, but I like to get this in here for you the best I can. Yeah, there's really not much to look at on that guy. But let's go ahead and turn this over so you can get the dash, all the lights. Some mileage there. Little flip out key, blink. Let's go ahead and turn this over. Foot on the brake. Steering wheel lock, steering wheel lock. Oh, I gotta move the steering wheel. There we go, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh, looks like we got a low tire, and that's okay. But, alright. There's the mileage there, but as you can see, no check engine light. We do have a TPMS light, low tire sensor. Backup camera there. Let's see if nav works. Agree. Well, let's just view the map. Touchscreen, very nice. So it does have the NAVI. Don't see a lot of these with a NAVI in it, but I only see about 3 or 4 of these a month, so I'm sure there's plenty out there. All right, I turned on some lights. Let's go back out here, let you hear it run. Lights there. Here run. I mean, it runs and drives great, and hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything I may have missed, you'd like us to come out, take extra photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. We're not into making buying a car hard by any stretch. You know, we try to make it as easy as you're gonna find. But I just want to say thank you for your time and consideration, you know, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.